Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the apps. Then let's tap on Special App Access, which is at the very bottom of the list, and here scroll and find Install Unknown Apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, not as usual from the Google Play Store. So we have to find it in the list and then tap on it and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility, some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.